This is a new presentation that is open right in Microsoft PowerPoint, and today I want to show you how you can create a simple but presentable presentation using Flipkart in Microsoft PowerPoint. So without any further ado, let's quickly jump in and let me share this particular tip with you. Now, this is the current layout I have in this slide area. I'm going to right click, choose layout and choose blank, so that we can start creating this creative design from scratch. And I am moving to the home tab on the menu bar. We have the drawing group, click on shapes, and in the recently used shapes we are going to select rounded corners. Click, drag to draw this shape. We can have a preferred size to this particular shape, and to do this personally, you move to the menu bar, click on the shape format, and we have the height and width of this particular size. Click in this height field and type 5, click and type 3 and press the enter key. So this is the size for this particular rounded corners shape. Now I'm going to change the outline to yellow, then increase the size of this outline. So we move to weight and choose 3 point. I'm going to select this, change the fill color to black, and hold Ctrl+D on the keyboard. We want a duplicate of this particular shape. Now we are going to insert an image on top of this particular shape. So let's move to the insert tab. Then we have the images group, choose pictures, this device. Now we are going to navigate through the location or the directory that consists of our pictures and select that particular image. I'm going to use this TikTok. Click and choose insert. Place this on top of this shape. Now let's make some modification to this image. Click on picture format, then we move to crop and choose crop to shape. We are going to select the oval shape. Now let's move back. For the aspect ratio, we choose 1:1. You can make adjustment to this. I am going to ignore this modification and click on the slide area. Now I'm going to drag to select over all these shapes, move to the picture format or the shape format, choose align, center, align, middle. This is going to be right in the middle of this selected shape. Now select all these, hold Ctrl+J on the keyboard. You can also right click on any of the selected shape, choose group and click. We have this as one particular group. Now let's move to this second shape, select, move to shape format, choose shape fill, and I'm going to use this particular color, or we can also use this particular color as well. Now we move back to insert, or under the shape format tab we have the insert shapes group, choose text box, click and type your text in this particular box. After keying in your text, you select any of this knot or this circular knot around this text box. I'm going to choose center in this paragraph group, change the font color to white and increase the size. After doing so, you can adjust your text. Now I'm going to select all these shapes, the shape and the text, move to shape format, choose align, center and align, middle. Now I can use Ctrl+J on the keyboard. This is also going to have this as a group item. Now right click on this selected shape or this group item and choose send to back. I'm going to drag this and arrange this perfectly. Now let's drag over it, move this to this particular area. Now we can input our heading for this presentation. Now since we have the cursor blinking in this text box, hold Ctrl+A on the keyboard, change the font type, increase the size. You can bold, adjust the text box, move to shape format and choose align to top and align to center. Now let's apply the animation that is going to serve all these items and turn it into a Flipkart presentation. I'm going to select this particular shape, move to shape format, and we have the arrange group. Choose selection pin so that we have access to all these items. Now when I select this slide area, we have nothing selected in the selection pin. I want to work with the first group, which is the top group, which is group 7. You click, move to animations, then we click on this arrow, we choose more exit effect. We have this change exit effect dialog box. Let's move to this moderate group and choose collapse and click on OK. Let's apply some effect options to the collapse animation. We move back to animations tab. In the effect options, click and choose across. Perfect. Now we want to apply animation to the second group. We choose this. You can also click on this eye icon to hide so that you have access to this particular shape or object. When you select, we move to animations, click on this arrow. Now we move to more entrance effect. We have this change entrance effect dialog box. Choose stretch and click on OK. We are going to make modification to our animated object. Before then, let's make this visible. We click. Now let's move to the animation pane. In this pane, we are going to make modification to the second animation. Make sure this is selected. You move to this timing group, choose this and choose after previous. Perfect. When we move to the slideshow, when we click this flip, and we have our text appear to us. This is the flip card presentation we are creating in this current video. Now let's make a duplicate of this shape. So you can click and drag over all these shapes. Use Ctrl Shift drag and drag. You can arrange this based on your preference. Now when you are done, let's change this individual images or icons. So I'm going to select this and select this particular image. Anytime you select a group item, firstly the group item is selected, then you continue to click on the particular image you want to select. I want to select this, right click, choose change picture, go to this device, then we move to my design pictures, use the image or the icon you want to use and choose insert. The reason why I'm using the change picture effect is to maintain the aspect ratio and the crop option. Let's move back to this, click once again so that we have this picture selected, right click, change picture, this device, move to the location and click on insert. Perfect. So if I move to the slideshow, when I click this flip, click and click. Now based on your preference, you can change the color of all these shapes that we have here. Let's assume that I move to the selection pane, select this group, this is the group and this is the color given to it. If I want to change the color of this shape, I'll move to the group item and this is the rounded corners. Select, move to shape format, we have shape fill, choose eyedropper and I'm going to use this color of this TikTok and select. Perfect. Let's move back to this group. This is the group. We select the rounded corners, move to shape fill, eyedropper and we can choose this particular color. Then when we select this group, we have this rounded corners. Select, shape fill, eyedropper and use this color. Now I have changed this color based on my preference. I can also change the outline as well. We can use black or we can use the gray color. So I have changed all the outline of the shapes. When I move to slideshow, click this flip, click and click. Now take time to apply the colors that suit your preference to your shapes, your font type, your font size and any other color scheme you want to apply to this flip card presentation. And this is how to create this wonderful, creative and presentable flip card in Microsoft PowerPoint.